Hello friends, in this video I will guide you through how to get started with Microsoft Teams. My name is Praveen Balan. Let's get started. While I was speaking, I was just trying to log into Teams so that to avoid any delays. Now, I just entered my username. Since my password is already saved, it didn't ask for the password, so it is logging me in. In usual cases, you will be asked to enter the password. Now just finished loading Teams. Now it will display you the choices of joining to certain teams. We will get into more Teams features later stage. Now let's get into the profile area. So usually all of us needs to upload our photo for the others to see. Sometime maybe a flower on picture or any other kind of a thing. So this is the place that you usually upload a photo. You can choose a photo of your choice and upload it. As mentioned, choose a photo, click save. That's it. Let's get into settings. As the version information sometime may become handy for you when you're actually looking for certain new features. It may not be available if you have not updated your Teams client on the machine. So have a look at the current version available in the website and the version that is running on your machine. You can go to the version check and update it to the latest so that you get all the new features that is currently available with the version of Microsoft Teams. Now let's get back to more settings. There's a general tab. You don't need to spend a lot of time here. Leave almost every settings as default except the last options, which is important if you're running Sky for Business and Teams together on the same machine. Otherwise, you can leave everything default. Now let's get into the privacy settings. There is a feature called Do Not Disturb in the status settings. Now, as you can see, if you make the Do Not Disturb settings, in most cases, all calls and everything will be dropped. So even during the Do Not Disturb, you need somebody to connect with you, which is very important for you. You can do that settings in the privacy options, which we have just seen. Let's go back there. This is Ivania is my daughter, so I made her as contact me even if I'm in do not disturb mode. So I'll keep receiving all the communication from her even if my status is do not disturb. So this is one of the privacy settings, which is an interesting feature. Now you also can block the calls like you are in mobile phones, WhatsApp, or any other social media. Likewise, you can also block it, which is also available in privacy. Let's get into the notifications. This is for you to go through and understand what each settings can do, the personal mentions, chat messages, calls, likes, followed channels. We will go more details about teams and channels in the upcoming videos, not in this particular video. Just go through and ensure that you have all the necessary settings made for your notification tab or notification types. Now let's get into the devices settings. This is very important because sometimes you may have a headset connected, you may be running from a laptop, you may have a speaker connected, different scenario to be considered. So now you can see that I've connected a headset for my Teams usage, and you can see there are two options, either to connect the headset, which is Plantronics, and a PC mic and speaker. So these two options I have. So if you want to listen to your headset, you need to choose the headset. If you want to listen to your PC speaker and mic, you can choose the PC mic and speakers. Custom setup, you can choose whichever the combination that you need, and then you can make a test call to ensure that everything is set right. Hello, this is a test call from Microsoft Teams to ensure that the headsets, camera, and mics are connected properly. Usually, the recorded voice will be played back for you. Wait until that finishes, and at the end of it, you will see this very successful result if everything is set right for you. Now, at this stage, you can confirm that your team is set correctly and you can get into any calls and speak to other party and ensure everything is right. So the device area is very important that many people misses to do it properly. And I hope this video was helpful in terms of setting up your teams to function properly. Now let's get into the permission area of Microsoft Teams settings. So you need to ensure that you have given enough access for the teams to function properly. Likewise, the media, camera, microphone, and speakers, the location access if the other party want to know from where you're actually joining the meeting. The notifications are enabled, the external links. When I speak about the external links, Teams at the end is a chat application, chat based workspace. So people will share the links on Teams. If you want to open the Teams externally, you need to enable this. If you disable it, it will not allow you to open a URL from Teams to external. Now it's important that we set the calls features rightly because Teams at the end is support for the audio and video calls. So when somebody calls you, do you want to forward it for all the calls to a voicemail? You have an option to set it, or it will ring you, and you can set the voice call if it is unanswered after a certain seconds. Now here it is set to be 20 seconds, and you can also personalize your voicemail as well. We will get into more personalizing the voicemail in the coming section. In the configuration of voicemail, you can record a greeting by yourself so that it will be more personal, or you can type the message that you want to play back when somebody reaches your voicemail box. So I set it here as, "Hi, I'm Praveen Balan. Could not pick your call. You may leave a voice message. I will get back to you as soon as possible." So you can set that and say OK to save, ensure that the other party listens to something which is meaningful. We are coming to the end of the video. So now before I sign off today, let me just show you how can you start chat with some of your colleagues available in the address book. Just type the name, select the person, and then start chatting so that you have a one-to-one chat session enabled, and you can also get into video calls, audio calls, screen sharing all from the same window. Thanks for watching. I hope it was enjoyable. Subscribe for more videos and share your comments. I am Praveen, signing off. Bye bye.